How to turn on and off Galaxy Store customization on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage whether Galaxy Store can personalize your experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Over here, once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. At this point, you'll see a list of Samsung services that can personalize different parts of your device. Next up, find Galaxy Store from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. Following this, when turned on, Galaxy Store uses your activity to suggest apps, themes, and content that match your interests, making it easier to discover things you'd actually enjoy. From here, turning it off simply stops Galaxy Store from tailoring recommendations based on your usage. Everything still works normally, it just won't personalize the suggestions anymore. Finally, the change takes effect right away, so no restart needed. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.